In the hills where the rivers hum, where the morning speaks in tongues, stories carved in stones they stay, the voices fade, they slip away. Open up and sing again, echo through the trees in rain. Let the mountains hear your cry, don't let the songs of old days die. Footsteps dance on earth so bare, shadows weave the moonlit air. Drums of ancestors pound the ground, but silence now is all around. Gather the stars to light the way, gather the winds to help them stay. Lift the forgotten from the dark, rekindle the fire with a spark. Open up and sing again, echo through the trees in rain. Let the mountains hear your cry,